Really easy one, but also a little confusing. A to the 0. What's a to the 0? 1. What's 4 times 1? 4. So it's just 4a to the third. That's the easiest way to do it. If you want to do exponent rules, add your exponents. 0 plus 3 is 3. It's a to the 3, a to the third. And the 4 is just still there. That's it. 4a to the third. Next one. Exponents on these p's, 4 minus 1 is 3, so you have a p to the third. How about the 2's? What happens with them? They cancel out. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And so it's 1 p to the third. When you multiply p to the third by 1, what happens? Nothing changes. When you multiply by 1, it stays the same, no matter what it is. So it's just p to the third. That's the answer. If you wanted to think of exponent rules, on the 2's there would be the exponents of 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. And so that works also. I've seen tons of people write 2 here, 2p to the third. Who was that? Zane.
It was one of them dumb kids back there.
It was Alex.
All right. Move that paper over.
Alex.
I know. I got something. It really would make my life easier to write people up and just be rid of you for a day or two. Like my 10th period class would just be more peaceful. I don't know why I don't do it. I don't either.
I think it's don't do it. Mr. Smith, don't do it.
I don't know. Too nice, but my patience is wearing thin.
It was Alex though.
Next one.
How many more years are you going to do?
Huh?
How many more years are you going to do?
Of teaching PACE A?
Yeah.
Just this year. And then I'm going to teach some other stuff. Next. I've said this before, if you repeat PACE A, you aren't going to probably have me. You'll probably have some new person or something. I don't know. All right. Add your exponents. 3 x to the third over 4 x to the fifth. Previously, I taught a lot of different math classes. This is the first year I've had so much PACE A.
4x 5.
So most of my classes are really good.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's 10th period too. Subtract your exponents. So I got to do 3 minus 5. That's -2. So I've got 3/4. 3 and the 4 just stay where they are. The x is on the bottom and it's squared because you've got a negative exponent. Let's look at number 13 together. So number 13. A lot of stuff going on here. Do your numbers first, I guess. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm multiplying. I had a lot of questions about this today. Why am I multiplying those numbers? I thought you're never supposed to multiply the bases together. Well, you can add your exponents, right? There's exponents of 1s on those 3's. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's 3 squared. And so it's 9. Right? Either way you do it, it's 9. Add your exponents on your x's. 1 plus -1 is 0. So you have an x to the 0 here. You want to write it. I mean, it's 1. 9 times 1 is 9. So you don't have to write it. It's just gone. Y to the third. And then you still have this 2x to the -3. And this is a little confusing here because we always say put negative exponents on the bottom, but you've got a negative exponent that's already on the bottom. Where does the negative exponent that's on the bottom move to?
To the top.
Right, it moves to the top. So the negative doesn't really mean move it to the bottom, although usually it does. What it really technically means is move it to the other side of the fraction. It's on the bottom already, it moves to the top. This x to the 0 is just 1. Now you could think about it as exponent rules here. 0 minus -3, it still works, right? Subtract your exponents on your x's. Well, minus
What?
negative is plus, and so it's a +3, so it's 9x to the third y to the third over 2. Alright? And you guys try 12 and 14. And we'll go over those together. And we'll just see how far we can get through this. Notice that number 20 is a really crazy looking problem. If you're like, and there are some of you that are doing like really well in here. You got like, you know, a 99 or 100%. Maybe try number 20. See if you can get it right. Number 12, multiply your exponents, right? 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. N to the negative 2 times n to the negative 12. Now add them. N to the negative 14, right? And so it's on the bottom, 1 over n to the 14. Not really two steps. All you had to do is multiply 2 numbers together, and then add 2 numbers. And then realize that if it's negative, it goes to the bottom. And that's it. Next one. We've got to multiply our exponents on the bottom. Again, do not forget that there is an exponent of 1 on that too. All the exponents get multiplied. Actually, first we probably should deal with this r to the 0. That's 1. And so when you multiply times 1, nothing changes. So this is just gone. It's like it's not there. Okay? If you want to, it might be easier. Add your exponents. 4 plus 0 is 4. R to the negative 2 over 2 r to the 4th to the 4th. You have an exponent of 1 on your 2. Multiply all your exponents inside by 4. You have r to the negative 2 over 2 to the 4th, r to the 16th. It's a little more complicated one. We've got to subtract our exponents. Negative 2 minus 16 is negative 18. Negative exponent is going to go on the bottom. And so you've got 1 over 2 to the 4th is 16. R to the 18 on the bottom. Okay. Last few of these.
I don't even know what's going on.
17. 2b over b to the negative 6th. What exponent's on the b on the top?
1.
1. 1 minus negative 6. Top minus bottom. Minus negative changes to plus. 1 plus 6 is 7.
Yo, what is
2b
this,
to the
bro?
7. Alright?
Yo, what?
I'll let
What
you
am I
guys try
supposed to
18
do?
and 19.
No way.
And let's go through number 20. There's not going to be anything like this
Damn.
quite on the test, but it's really not as bad as it seems. Multiply your exponents
way,
here by 10, and so you've got, let's just not rewrite the top. We're just rewriting the bottom. X to the negative 1, y to the negative 2. Z to the 0 is just 1, so it's gone. Times x to the 70, y to the 80, z to the negative 30.
Yo, what?
That's all to the 9th. So that's just the bottom. Add your exponents. So x to the 69, y to the 78, z to the negative 30. Right? That's all to the 9th. And now here's where I probably don't know these offhand. We've got to multiply all those by 9.
Yo. That's,
So 621. So we got x to the 621, y to the 78 times 9, 702, z to the negative 630. That's what you've got on the bottom. So you've got this. This isn't the answer. You've got this and this. You've got to
yo, he
subtract your
almost just soloed
exponents.
though.
So you do negative 7 minus 621. So you've got x to the negative 628. So it's x to the 628 on the bottom. You have negative 2 minus 702. And so that's y to the 704 on the bottom. And you've got 10 minus negative, right? 10 minus negative 630.
Oh
So
my
that's
god.
10 plus
Plus
630.
70.
So that's z to the 640 on top. That's all to the 10th. And so you just add a 0 to all these. And that's it. It's a, difficult looking problem. Oh, something up there. Yeah, I did. That's one number up. I've done too much mental math today. It's just been all day. This is 280. Okay? So you would add a 0 to all these, and you'd be done with that
What
one.
is this, bro?
Good thing the cube is on it.
Number 8.
No.
It's easier to see.
Number 18. Let's go. 2 times 3 is 6. You just are multiplying stuff together. 2 and 3 aren't the same base. There's nothing to do with their exponents. It's just 6. Your m's, so look at your m's. You're adding your exponents. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, so you've got an m squared on the bottom.
Trade.
Look at your m's. So
Trade that.
you've got 2 plus negative 1
this
is
is gonna be
1.
the last match.
1 plus negative
Bye.
4 is negative 3. So you have an n to the third on the block. That's that one. And the last one, 3 over 2. You've got an exponent of 1 on your x. And 1 minus 3 is negative 2.
Negative 2.
X squared on the bottom. Negative 2 minus 3 for your y's. Hey, have a seat while I'm talking. Now, I know it's 217,
Probably like
218.
negative 5.
Negative 5, so it's a y to the 5th. If you want to come see me in Seminole, either come see me after class, and I'll make you an appointment pass, or just ask your homeroom teacher, and they will
Easy.
probably send you down.
Mink.
It is math day tomorrow. There's like the special
Alright,
day
this is about
subject.
2 minutes.
So even if
I got 2
someone
minutes
wants you
left.
for something else, come down here to study for the test, that should be okay. Okay? So if you are thinking you're going to do bad on the test, come see me.
Mr. Smith, you think you can let me pull up the phone?
There we go. Alright, I have to hurry this up.
I'm so screwed.
I don't know what to say. Anyone wants to come see me in seminar, let me know, or just show up. Just show me up, it's fun. I'll be here tomorrow.
Oh, I just won. Let's go. I won. Oh, yeah.
If you wanna do math, that's
Easy.
fine.
I want to do it because I don't understand how, like, if it's already positive, how
Yeah, we can.
I'm about to end. Yeah, I'm ending the video. I'll see you later. Bye.